Hello and welcome YouTube. Today we gonna do another video. Actually we gonna do another unboxing for another product. This one has been arrived today. It is Samsung Gear S3. Samsung Frontier S3. Okay, so it's currently on sale or under discount on Amazon. It's at $279 at the moment. 2 days ago, it was $340, and sounds like a good deal. It's on Amazon now, $279. So let's get started. So let's see what's in the box. I like Amazon packaging boxes. Basically, they have very good packaging here. So let's put that one out here. Okay. And all right, let's see here. Okay, so Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. This is it. Let's see. Beautiful box. Beautiful packaging. Okay, so let's do unboxing. All right. Here we go. We're gonna open it. All right. Let's see. Boom. Okay. All right. It's sealed. Okay. So we're gonna use this knife. Okay. Okay. Am I on upside down? Here we go. It's upside down. All right. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. I like it. All right. So this is the dock station wireless charger for the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. Beautiful dock station. Okay, let's get this out here. Beautiful watch, as you see, and comes with the bezel. It's a great one. I like it. I've seen this one basically at T-Mobile store, and I like it a lot. That's why I ordered one for me. Let's put the watch on the side here for a second, and let's see what's in the box. Okay. It comes with micro USB. It's not a USB Type C. It's a micro USB cable. Okay. And what else? Beautiful bag. That's a beautiful bag. Actually, it's gonna be cool for travel. If you do travel, so you can use, it's a travel charger, a fast charger from Samsung, and this one, it supports 100 and 240 volt, which is 50-60 hertz. Very much it can be used in United States and overseas, which is very much meet the standards of the electricity anywhere. That's cool. And let's see here. Oh, sweet. It comes with extra band. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, let's see. And let's see here. Okay. And quick start guide. All right, so that is very much what's in the box for okay, let's put this one on side here for a second. All right, so this is what we have here today. Samsung Gear S3, the Frontier version. That was the latest smartwatch from Samsung. So that's all what I have today. So just unboxing. We will do a video review for Samsung Gear S3. Please guys, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up and put your comments. If you have any question, I will reply to you. Stay tuned. We will have another video for another product. Thank you very much. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.